What's up guys, today I will be reviewing the Chainsaw app. So once you downloaded it, open it up. This one you need the sound, so I'll get my speakers out. Okay, now it says up at the top, you can't see that, but it says shake or touch to start. Touch it there, or you So, what you do once it's started, you can hear it there, you turn it sideways to start cutting. And turn it up, then it stops. When it stops, shake it again and that turns it off, or touch it again. Settings, it just shows you how to start it, and twist rich to change pitch and all that. That's pretty much it for this one. There's not too much for this one, but it's free. Try it, and all that stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.